American breakfast.
And Chinese breakfast.
Chinese breakfast. Noodles and veggies. That's delicious though. And yogurt.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ready?
Ready.
This brings back some memories.
So many memories. So great.
I kind of want to cry.
I know. We were just like doing hide and seek and like running around playing chase, and we had all the dim sum in here, and we sang her happy birthday, and
Yeah.
like so sweet.
Yeah.
This is where we met her for the first time.
Yeah.
That's fun.
This is like room service.
Yeah.
We found like a room service little pod thing that keeps
That's
going around on its own.
Really?
Are we in its way? They're waiting for the.
No. Look.
Oh, is it-
Look. It's gonna go in.
There it goes. That I kind of want to order room service just so that thing can drop some food off in our room. Wow. Bye.
We're going to KFC. It's open 24 hours, and we just got a 12-hour drive here.
The traffic was a little crazy
insane.
getting
it
here.
was so wild.
There's a milk tea place that's still open.
Nice.
Milk tea place is open? We should. So Stephen and Penelope are going to recreate this picture from when we first met you. That was literally the first day. It's really sweet.
And I got a little fruit in my mouth, and
You've been eating ice cream. Yeah.
that's why now I got a little dot in my mouth. So maybe that will work.
That's so
Oh, and maybe look. Let me use your ice cream. Let me try.
You put a little bit of ice cream on there.
Here's a little
Still an ice cream lover.
Do I need to be on the other side?
Trying to recreate that crazy face for Stephen. Yeah, that's good. Oh my gosh, Stephen.
It wasn't me. It was the one-armed man.
Hey, we created one.
Yay! Oh, Stephen, no. Yeah, like that.
Reese are gonna go back.
Good morning, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
We are here in Nanning, China. This is day 3 for us in China. Yesterday was a travel day, and it took us quite a while to get here from Guangzhou. And so we got in really late, and the only thing that was open was KFC. Which is actually really interesting because this is where we met Penelope for the very first time.
This hotel.
And, this hotel.
Crazy.
And she, I remember, like really had a hard time sleeping at night. And so we would spend a lot of hours like walking around the mall that's attached here, going to KFC and eating KFC like late at night. So we knew it was a 24-hour KFC.
The menu here is so different for KFC.
There's a
It's
lot
so
of interesting
funny.
items on it, but when we got in and we were like, oh, the mall's already closed, the girls were like, well, let's go get KFC. So that's what we did. And then I got a really good night's sleep last night. I would have slept a lot longer, but we have a lot that we're doing today because in a little bit we are heading to Penelope's hometown, and we are going to be meeting up with her foster family and starting all of the Chinese New Year celebrations together.
So excited, guys. It's
We
so
are
fun.
really incredibly excited, and I feel like we've kind of started to get through the jet lag. Like today I'm feeling pretty good, and so I'm just so looking forward to the rest of this trip. The girls are getting ready in their room, and we're gonna go down to breakfast in a minute because this hotel has a really, really good breakfast.
So good.
And that's one of the things I think we really missed in China was just like all the nice breakfast.
The breakfast buffets that
Yeah.
have like everything you could imagine.
Yeah, they
So
have
good.
like American stuff, but then they have Chinese stuff, and I just love it so much.
So
And
good.
so yeah, we're gonna go get a really nice, good breakfast before we get out on the road again. But yeah, it's so exciting to be here. If you guys missed our last vlog, that was us getting here and our first day in China, which was really special
So
too.
sweet.
I love seeing Penelope's reactions to everything and just the excitement, and the girls too. Like, this is just such a special trip. So if you didn't see the last vlog, we did end up making this a girls only trip, just with the nature of it, with it being Chinese New Year, everything being so busy and crowded, and it being kind of a fast-paced trip. Like
Yeah.
we decided that this would be better to just be able to focus on Penelope this time, and then next time we can bring the full family back. But for the purposes of this, I feel like this is just like a really special, unique dynamic, and so it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna bring you guys along. Okay, so we made it to Penelope's hometown. It was kind of a whirlwind. I was trying to like capture a little bit of it as we pulled in, and one of her foster moms was there to greet us, and they had a couple of cars to take us to the hotel that they have booked for us here.
So cool.
And so we had just a couple of seconds to get changed. It is really, really cold here.
So cold.
So much colder. It feels like 30 degrees colder than it was in Nanning. And so we are switching, putting on some jackets and shoes, and we're gonna go down to the lobby and meet up with them, and we're going to do lunch. I think her foster mom said she had prepared
cooking.
some lunch for us, and so we haven't seen most of Penelope's family yet. We still have some more people to greet, but I'm sure we'll be doing that, you know, throughout the rest of this day and tomorrow. So I'm really excited. This is going to be really fun and special. But it was really cool to see Penelope just greeting her foster mom that she hasn't seen in person in 5 years. So
Crazy.
it's really cool. We made it!
We made it. This was me. I was a little, you know.
Ah, Penelope!
And then we have more right here.
This is Penelope's keepsake box, and I forgot we had sent like family photos to them to like help her become acquainted with our family.
Wow.
And I had written Penelope a letter to our daughter.
Wow.
That is so sweet. Oh my gosh. I should keep it.
That's so
I remember
sweet.
sitting at my desk and I was crying as I was writing
my gosh.
this letter. Oh my goodness.
That's so
One
sweet.
of dearest daughter, we're so thankful to be welcoming you into our family. We know that you do not know us yet, but we promise we will love you dearly and take very good care of you. We hope you will enjoy the gifts we sent while we wait to come to you. Love, your mama and Baba and sisters and brothers.
Mama, Papa, and sister. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my god. Wait. Let me look. This was me.
Oh, yeah, you're so little. So you have the cute little short haircut.
Oh my god.
Look at how cute Penelope was.
Why my hair is like that?
So cute.
I swear.
Penny, you were adorable.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Oh, he's so perfect. He's my little baby doll.
That's one of my favorites.
That's my favorite too.
I love that. And I did really like your hair short.
That's why you can always want my hair short. This
so
is
cute.
why I hate it, because it's always so short.
Here we go. Hi.
Oh my god, so cute.
So cute.
Hey.
小的，
You're like the cutest little thing I've ever seen.
对，
他们又想要孩子啦。
我想要一个小的。
嗨嗨嗨嗨嗨。
拜哦。
Been married at 23.
Hey, buddy. Ooh. Oh,
Please be careful.
hi, buddy. I've only done this a few times.
Goodness.
Oh, it's a baby.
He's happy.
I can't.
He's just like staring with googly eyes. Who is that? Who is that?
He likes high pitch. He's like,
In my country, this is like a culture
beautiful.
thing. Like wear.
this is so pretty. I really like
After
that
you
one.
wear this outfit, you can pick up any like those. Like when you go here,
Oh yeah. So Penelope's family's brought us here, and we're going to pick out some traditional outfits to wear and take some pictures together. So that's gonna be really fun. You're gonna help me pick out something really good.
sure, yeah, I will.
These outfits are really, really beautiful. So I don't think we can go wrong. It's our last day here in Penelope's hometown, and it has been such a treat being able to be here, spending time with her foster families, and
So fun.
They are just like the sweetest people ever. They are so gracious and kind, and they've been cooking every meal for us. Today is actually New Year's Eve, and so we are going to be going over to one of their other homes, and they're going to be making dinner for us again. And Penelope was really wanting to do fireworks, and so it's just going to be a really special celebration. But this is our last day here in her hometown, and then we're all going to be actually going to another area that's a few hours away, and we got a hotel for all of us, and we're going to be able to like just have a couple of days of just hanging out, sightseeing, that kind of stuff too, before we start heading back home. And so that will be really bittersweet to say goodbye to Penelope because she's going to be here an additional month.
I know. I'm like, what the heck?
I feel like that's I'm so excited for her because I know that she's really excited to be able to spend some extended time here. You can hear some fireworks,
It's so loud.
they're starting early with those, but it's just such a privilege to be here and such a privilege to be able to share this with her and with her foster family. And so we're so grateful. So we're gonna go and meet up with them and see if we can help make some dinner. I know they were making some dumplings, so we'll see if that's not done, we can maybe help out with that, and just enjoy the rest of this day and the rest of this trip. So. I know, he's the cutest thing ever. He's perfect.
Eddie's foster mom gave her that's a pretty amazing red envelope fan. Try a worm. This is a delicacy.
这个可能不要告诉他，告诉他可能不敢吃。
Put the whole thing in the
没有啊，
bag.
这个很干净的，这个是蛋白质很
I
高
feel
的。
like I should
高蛋白，
put the whole
高
thing
蛋
in
白。
Good protein, guys.
Yeah, very good protein. Yeah.
Good protein. There we go. Good protein. He's like, I know a secret. Okay.
Probably delicious. Is it chewy?
It needs some sauce.
You can dip it in the sauce, yeah.
The sauce here. Little flavor in there.
这个螺要蘸这个吃，这个螺要蘸这个吃，
可以吸出来。
吸不了奶有些。
哦，
Eyeball.
你就吸。
Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you.
Everybody, once again. Happy New Year!
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. that for your name's sake you will lead me back